Hello everyone. Today we're gonna learning about implicit derivative. So the question asks us about finding y prime in a function that have x and y. So we cannot do that normally because this is implicit derivative. So first of all, I'm gonna take derivative from both sides. So derivative x squared over dx minus derivative y cube over dx equal to derivative of 2x in term of x. So right here you can see that dx squared over dx means you take derivative of x squared in term of x. So the derivative of x squared in term of x is 2x minus, in here you can see dy cube, like take the derivative of y cube in terms of dx in terms of x. So we cannot do that because this is a function in terms of y. We cannot derivative in terms of x. So we have to like do something to take the derivative. So the things I will do is that I will rewrite it and I will multiply the top and the bottom by dy. So multiply the top by dy, multiply the top by dy dx. So you could see I didn't do anything. I just multiply the top and the bottom by dy here and dy here. You could see dy can cancel out. So it's basically the same as the term right here because I just multiply dy to the top and the bottom. So it's equal to, this is take the derivative of 2x in terms of x. So we could take the derivative normally. So it's going to be 2. So in here, I just rewrite the function. So here you can see this is the derivative of y cube in terms of dy. So we could do it normally. This one is 3y squared. So multiply dy over dx is y prime equal to 2. So I will move this term to the right and move number 2 to the left. So it has to be 2x minus 2 equal 3y squared multiply y prime. So divide both sides by 3y squared. So it has to be y prime equal to x minus 2 over 3y squared. So that's the final answer. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.